Best cordless stick vacuums. I recently went on a hunt for the best cordless stick vacuums, and let me tell you, it was a journey. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. These vacuums promise convenience, versatility, and power, but do they deliver? Stick with me as I break down my top 5 picks. Product number 1, Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When I first got my hands on the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, I was immediately impressed by its sleek design and lightweight feel. You know how it is. Lugging around a heavy vacuum can be a workout in itself. This vacuum weighs in significantly less than many traditional options, making it a breeze to maneuver around the house. I had a chance to use it on both hard floors and rugs, and I was blown away by its tangle-resistant design. As a pet owner, I often find hair everywhere, but the Levoit tackled it with ease. I barely had to deal with those annoying hair clumps that usually get stuck in other vacuums. The easy empty dustbin was a game changer too. With just a click, I could dispose of the collected dirt without getting my hands dirty. On top of that, the washable filters and roller made maintenance simple. It's designed for up to 50 minutes of runtime, which was more than enough for my weekly cleaning routine. Product number 2, the KAR-DV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Next up is the KAR-DV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. At first glance, I loved the sleek design and the LED display that adds a touch of modernity to cleaning. It's not just looks. This vacuum delivers powerful suction with 40 kPa of force, thanks to its robust 500-watt motor. I tried it on my carpets and hard floors, and the performance was impressive. It picked up everything from fine dust to larger crumbs. The 60-minute runtime was also a blessing. I could clean my entire home without worrying about recharging halfway through. The anti-tangle design on the flexible floor brush worked wonders, especially with pet hair, which often clogs my other vacuums. And with its 8-in-1 accessory kit, I was able to tackle everything from car upholstery to tight corners. Product number 3, Bissell CleanView XR Pet. Now let's talk about the Bissell CleanView XR Pet. As someone who's passionate about pet care, I was excited to test this vacuum because Bissell supports pet foundations with every purchase. This model features a powerful motor that's 60% more powerful than many competitors, and I could feel the difference as it effortlessly tackled pet hair and other debris. The removable battery offered a hassle-free charging experience, allowing me to move freely around my home without being tethered to an outlet. I particularly appreciated the deep cleaning fur brush. It made cleaning upholstery and stairs a breeze. With up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning, I tackled multiple rooms comfortably. Product number 4, Tineco V500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco V500 caught my attention with its high suction power of 40 kPa, which I found to be quite effective. As soon as I turned it on, I was immediately impressed by its performance. It handles not only pet hair, but also fine dust without skipping a beat. The LED touchscreen is a standout feature. It straightforwardly displays crucial information like battery life and suction levels. I found transitioning from a stick vacuum to a handheld mode easy, making it perfect for cleaning my car or hard-to-reach areas. I did appreciate the wall-mounted charging dock. It keeps the vacuum organized and charged without taking up too much space. The one-touch emptying feature also saved me time when cleaning up. Product number 5, Jelly Pig Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Last but not least, I had the chance to try out the Jelly Pig Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum boasts a whopping 650-watt motor that delivers outstanding suction power of up to 55 kPa. I was impressed by how it tackled both carpets and hard floors, making cleaning an effortless task. The self-standing design was a lifesaver. I didn't have to lean it against a wall constantly, which is often a hassle. The LED touchscreen made it easy to adjust the settings and check the battery life. With up to 70 minutes of runtime, I was able to clean my entire house in one go. I also appreciated the anti-tangle technology, which worked wonders on my pet's long hair. In conclusion, each of these cordless stick vacuums has its own unique features and strengths. Whether you're a pet owner, have a busy household, or simply want a lightweight option, there's something for everyone in this list. I hope my experiences help you find the perfect vacuum for your needs.